Beautiful morning. I'm out here cultivating, trying to keep the weeds down in all our crops. We have right now peppers, garlic, potatoes, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, squash. Pretty well everything's planted except for our late plantings. Everything's going good so far. We're hoping on harvesting a lot of this stuff coming up real soon. So you can come and see us at one of our markets that we do, or one of our stands. So everybody enjoy your beautiful weather, and we'll see you again. Okay everybody, thanks for watching another one of our vlogs. Don't forget to come and see us at either the Windsor Market, downtown, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. every Saturday for the whole summer till December. Also Amherstburg Farmers Market at GL Heritage, 8:30 to 1:30. This year we'll be selling right out of the farm, right out of the shed, right out of the field. Don't forget we sell vegetables right here at the farm at 7940 Collison Side Road, right between Harrow and Amherstburg. Have a great day, everybody.